Okay, observe now question number 12. So as we already studying formulas, so now they're asking copper to bromide. So the one and only diagram, one and only tabular column, as I told you, the tabular column everybody has to learn by this time. Offline class also I told you. Am I right, everybody? So that's what. Now copper to bromide. So copper to bromide means, so copper and bromine symbol is Br. So copper, what is the valency, everybody? Copper is 2 and bromine is what? 1. So if you have been done crisscross, so what is the formula will come, everybody? CuBr2. Clear? Next, aluminium nitrate. Aluminium 3 nitrate. So what is the symbol for aluminium? Al. Nitrate. Can you tell me the symbol? Anybody? Nitrate.
NO3.
Yes.
NO3.
NO3. So what is the valency of aluminium? This Roman number indicating, please remember everybody, Roman number indicating valency of cation. Is it okay, everybody? What is that? It is indicating valency of cation. Roman number is, if they will give Roman number, even it is easy for you to identify the valency of a cation. So aluminium, they're saying. So what is the valency of a cation? 3. Nitrate 1. So if you have been done the crisscross method, so what is the formula will come? Everybody? AlNO3 thrice. AlNO3 thrice. Understand, Amma? Next, calcium 2 phosphate. What is the calcium phosphate? Calcium symbol, everybody? Ca. And what is the phosphate formula? Phosphate formula. Everybody. PO4.
PO4.
So, calcium valency is 2. Phosphate valency is, what is the phosphate valency? Anybody? Phosphate valency 3. So if you have been done, so we'll get Ca3PO4 twice. Very important formula. Calcium 2 phosphate. Note it, everybody. Calcium 2 phosphate. What is the formula, everyone? Ca3PO4 twice. Do it. Next, Makal to Shivani. Next, iron 3 sulfide. Iron 3 sulfide. Sulfide. Ide means what? SO3 or S? Anyone? If you are not saying, it is not important. Yes, yes.
SO3.
SO3 gone. There itself gone, Laksha. That is itself basic thing. Sulfide it is. Ide. Ide means what?
Yes,
Yes.
means.
Yes. So iron valency. Iron 3 they are saying. 3. Ide. Sulfide. Valency is what? 2.
2.
So if you have been done crisscross, we'll get what, everybody? Fe2S3. So please learn difference between ide, ite, ate. I told you many times. Again, I'm saying. Next. So what is the formula? Fe2S3. Mercury 2 chloride. What is the symbol for mercury, everybody? Symbol for
HG.
mercury, Hg. Chloride, Cl. So mercury valency is 2. Roman number indicating that only 2. Chlorine valency is 1. So if you have been done crisscross, what is the formula will come? Hg, HgCl2. Clear, everybody? Next, magnesium acetate. So acetate you all people don't know. Now you learn. If you know already, I'm happy. If you don't know also, now you learn. So magnesium acetate symbol. What is a magnesium, everybody? Magnesium symbol Mg. Understand, everybody? And acetate symbol CH3COO. Please learn. CH3COO. And valency of magnesium, here you can see is 2. Acetate valency is 1. So please learn if you are learning first time. So magnesium acetate formula Mg bracket CH3COO twice. Magnesium acetate CH3COO twice. Everybody has to learn. So very, very important formulas. Clear, everybody? Call to Alfin and Shivani. Prince, you understand everybody? Completed, Sam? Is there anyone? All or no, nobody is there in meeting. Right? Do it fast. Completed or not? All of you. Yes, please. Respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, this is the very important question, lah. So even you can expect like these questions in exam. So this is the most important where the different kind of questions. So they will give you some ions and they will ask us to write all the possible chemical compounds. So we are all knows that positive means they are what ions? Cations or anions? Anyone? Positive.
Cation.
Cations. These three are cations and these three are anions. So totally how many compounds will come? Anybody can tell? One cation with the three anions, next cation with the three anions, next cation with the three anions. Totally how many compounds will come? Anybody?
3.
9 compounds will come. Okay, first with the copper. Copper with the chlorine. Anybody tell me what is the formula will come? Cu2 plus Cl minus. So Cu and Cl, Cu2 plus 1. One formula only I am saying. So what is the formula will come? CuCl2. Okay. Next, CuSO4. So CuSO4. So copper 2, SO4 also 2. So crisscross if you do it, you will get Cu2SO4 twice. 2 will get cancelled. We will get CuSO4. Clear everybody? Understand, Amma? Next, CuPO4, copper phosphate. Copper phosphate. So Cu2 phosphate, PO4 3. So if you have been done the crisscross, you will get Cu3 PO4 twice. Copper phosphate. Like that, 3 compounds are completed. Next, remaining 6 compounds are there. You all tell me one by one fastly. Everybody. Agalya, speak loudly now. Copper with the sulfur, copper over sodium. Sodium plus chlorine. What is that, everybody? Yes, sir. What is this? No interest means
NaCl.
sodium chloride, NaCl. Na plus 1, chlorine minus 1 over. Next, sodium sulfate. What will happen? Na2SO4. Next, sodium phosphate. Na3PO4 over 3 compounds. Next, with iron. Iron chloride. What will happen? FeCl3. Iron sulfate. What is that? Fe2SO4 thrice. Iron sulfate. Fe2SO4 thrice. Iron sulfate. Last one. Fe3 plus PO4 3 plus. So what will happen? Fe3 PO4 thrice. 3 will get cancelled. FePO4. So these are the totally how many compounds will come? Everybody. 9 compounds will come. If this question also not able to do, then I don't know what to say also, everyone. So very, very important. Like these questions definitely can expect in normal school exams and all, because you need to know how many compounds. See, each positive ion can react with the negative ions and it will form the compound. So totally 3 positive ions is given and 3 negative ions is given. So each positive ion with the 3 negative ions, next one with the 3 negative ions, next one with the 3 negative ions. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, totally how many compounds will come? Everybody. Yes, 9 compounds will come. Clear everyone? All of you? Write it fast. Are you clear, Lingesh?
Sir.
Yeah. You have to do
Yes,
it.
sir.
Everybody. Mr. Jay Krishnan doing Gokul.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Abhirami completed. Shivani joined now only. Shivani late always. What happened? Start complete fastly. We finished 2 questions. Next. Sangamitra completed. Hasini Sudhakar, రెండు పేర్. Over. Next question. Next question is also very important question. Write the cations and anions present in the following compounds. You have to identify cation and anion. So NaCl, H2, NH4, NH3. You all can identify it. So first, let us start with the H2. H2, is there any anion or cation? Anybody? They are asking identify cation and they are asking us to identify anion. So first thing, starts with this is what we used to call it as sodium acetate. What we used to call? Formula is writing different. What is the name of this one? Everybody? Yes, please. Sodium acetate. So who is the cation? Who is the cation? Na.
Sodium.
CH3COO minus anion, acetate ion. Please note it. Next, NaCl. NaCl, who is the cation? Who is the cation? NaCl.
Na.
Sodium.
So chlorine is anion. H2. H2 what ion? Absent. No ion is present. It is a what? Molecule. It is a what? It is not a compound. It is a what, everybody? It is the molecule of an element, a compound. Molecule of an element. It is not a compound. Next, ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate. What is the positive ion? Ammonia. Nitrate. Nitrate, what is the valency? Nitrate, valency. Anybody?
-1.
-1. Everybody has to involve. If not ready to participate, you can leave from the meeting. No issues. No compulsion at all for anybody. Mr. Gokul, are you doing? Do it. This is also very good question. So it's very important question also. So identifying positive ions and negative ions. Positive ions we used to say cations. Negative ions we used to say what ions? Positive ions, cations. Negative ions. Negative
Anion.
ions. All of you? Anions. Do it. Yes. Next, as I told you last offline class, I told you they will never give you the chemical formula. They will give you the what? Chemical name, and they ask us to write the formula. So that is the challenging part of our question paper. So if you don't know the proper names, you are not able to get the ions, and if you are not able to get the ions, it is impossible to make the names. So that is why we have to be extra careful with the names. So let us start with that only. So the next question is the most important question. Out of all, this is what is the question you can expect in your exams. Simply they will give the names and you have to write the positive ion, negative ion. And first you should identify either it will form a covalent compound or ionic compound. Mr. Jayan, are you doing? Simply sitting. Okay. So give the formula of the compounds formed from the following sets of elements. Calcium and fluorine. Calcium and fluorine. First, write the symbol. Everyone, one by one, tell me what is the symbol for calcium. One we will do properly. Later we will write with the shortcut. Symbol and valency. You should write neatly. So what is the symbol for calcium? Everybody. Calcium. Ca. Very good. What is the fluorine symbol? F.
Yes.
What is the calcium valency? Calcium
Plus.
valency 2. Fluorine valency 1. So what is the name of this one? CaF2. Calcium fluoride. Okay, chemical formula. They are asking for compounds formed from the following set of elements. So CaF2. Write it, everybody. Clear, Amma? All of you? Next, hydrogen sulfur. Hydrogen sulfur. What is that? Everybody, symbol hydrogen. Yes. Sulfur. Yeah, sorry, H and S. Hydrogen 1, sulfur 2. So if you have been done, what is the formula? H2S. Next, nitrogen and hydrogen. Hydrogen and nitrogen. Sorry, first nitrogen and hydrogen. Nitrogen valency 3, hydrogen valency 1. So if we have been done crisscross, what will happen? Ammonia, NH3. Clear? Next, carbon and chlorine. So carbon symbol C, chlorine symbol is Cl. Carbon is 4, chlorine is 1. So if you have been made formula, what will happen? CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Very, very important. 10th class again it will come. Carbon tetrachloride. Ride. Next, sodium and oxygen. Sodium symbol. Sodium symbol, tell me. Mukesh Kalyan will say. Sodium symbol. Sodium symbol, Mukesh.
Sir, Na.
Na. Very good, Mukesh. Oxygen symbol, Mukesh.
O.
Oh, what is the valency of sodium? You should learn, Mukesh. 1. Oxygen, 2. So if you have been done, what is the valencies? What is the formula? Sodium oxide, Na2O. Ma, learn valencies. Without that, it is not possible to score well. Next, carbon and oxygen. Yes, please. What is the Kishore will say? Carbon symbol, Kishore. Carbon symbol, C. Oxygen symbol, O. Carbon valency 4. Oxygen valency 2. So if you exchange it, C2O4. But both are even numbers. What we have to do next step? We have to simplify it. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what is the formula? Everybody.
CO2.
CO2. Very good. Do it. Up to here you have to do it. Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Make it quick. Kavya completed. Abhirami.
Sir.
Asani, do it. Pradhan, are you doing? So Jai Krishnan.
Yes, sir.
Next. Which of the following symbols of the elements are incorrect? Incorrect. Give their correct symbols. So this is also one of the simplest and beautiful question. Okay. Hello, same number, not Laksha. Both are even numbers, correct, Laksha? You don't know that. Simplifying, lowest ratio, you have to write it. Okay, va?
Okay.
Cobalt, right or wrong symbol? Everybody? Cobalt.
No, sir.
Cobalt
sir.
symbol, right or wrong?
No, sir.
No. What is wrong? Anybody?
Sir, O should not be
O should be small letters. Very good. Capital C, small O. Very good. Next. Carbon symbol. Incorrect? Correct? Incorrect. Because small c. You have to write what? Capital C. Aluminium. Incorrect? Correct?
Incorrect, sir. Correct.
Incorrect or correct? Yes, small l. Next. Helium. Correct.
Correct.
Sodium. Sodium.
No, sir.
No. What is the symbol? Sodium. Na. Na is taken from a word, Latin word. What is the Latin word? Latin word. Natrium. Do it, everybody. Simple question. See that. That's what I'm saying. Make it quick. Anything doubt, ask. Clear? Next. Give the chemical formula for the following. Definitely like these questions, you will find it in our exams. Following compounds and compute the ratio by mass of the combining elements in each of them. You may use appendix 3. So appendix 3, what is that appendix 3? Is there anything? I don't know. Where is that? Oh, so okay, late. So it's not there, but we can try to do it. So appendix 3 is there saying it's not required, we will finish it. So they're asking ratios also. So ammonia, what is the formula? Ammonia, what is the formula? So three things you have to write.
NH3.
Listen, everybody here. You have to write what? Give the chemical formula. Okay, we'll give chemical formula first. Chemical formula. Next, and compute the ratio by mass. Ratio by mass they are asking. If you want to know the ratio by mass, before that you need to know something. Anybody can tell? Lingesh, Mari, elemental ratio. Next one, what is that? Elemental ratio by what? Elemental ratio by mass. That is what. So that is what you have to do it. So ammonia, what is the chemical formula? Everybody. Ammonia, chemical formula. Involve and tell me. Everyone try to answer at least one question. Everybody. That is what is needed. Ammonia. How much? Elemental ratios. What is the elemental ratios? Everybody. 1 is to 1 is to 3. Understanding? So what is the elements present? Nitrogen and hydrogen. So what is the elemental ratio by mass? Nitrogen how much? 14. Hydrogen 3 is to 1. 3 into 1. How much it is? 3. Next. Carbon monoxide. What is the formula? CO. Okay. What is the ratio? 1 is to 1. So C is to O. So what is the carbon? 12. Oxygen 16. So carbon, oxygen 16. Both can be divided with what? Same number. So that we can write R. What will happen, everybody? 4 table. 4 threes are 4 fours are. So also I can write what? 3 is to
Sir,
4.
4.
the third tabular column, you have written as elemental ratio by mass, sir.
Mass ratio, Mari. That is only they're asking. Mass ratio only, I'm writing heading like that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, HCl, hydrogen chloride. What is the formula? HCl. So what is the ratio? 1 is to 1. Hydrogen is to chlorine. So what is that hydrogen 1? Chlorine how much, guys? Chlorine how much? 35.5. Next, ammonium fluoride. Ma, at least one formula try to say, then only your mind will work correct. Ammonium fluoride. Sorry, aluminium fluoride. Aluminium fluorine. Just now we studied. Aluminium is 3, fluorine 1. So what is the formula?
ALF3.
ALF3. Very good. See, keep a aim. One day, one session. At least I have to answer 2 questions. Two words at least I need to speak. Then only you can expect the progress in 10th class. Otherwise, how you people are going to be? I don't know. It is. Like this means it is what? So ALF3. So what is that? Everybody. 1 is to 3. So aluminium is to fluorine. So aluminium valency. Sorry, aluminium atomic mass. Anybody? 27. 27. Okay. Fluorine now 3 are there. So 3 into. Anybody tell me what is the fluorine? Fluorine atomic mass.
90.
Huh? No, not 9. 19. How much it is?
90.
19. So 3 into 19. How much? 3 into 19.
8.
3 into 19. 57. So both I can divide with the 3 table. 3 table if I divide 27 by 3. How much it is? 9. 57 by 3. 19. So write it. Next, magnesium sulfide. Formula solunga. Magnesium sulfide. Anybody?
MGS.
MGS, very good. So MGS, how? Magnesium and sulfide. Magnesium is 2, sulfide is 2. If you have been done crisscross, we'll get Mg to S2. So 2 will get cancelled. So MGS, 1 is to 1. So Mg is to S. So magnesium atomic mass 24.
24.
Sulfur atomic mass 32. So both are divisible by some table. Anybody can tell me? 8 table. Do you remember? 8 threes are 8 fours are. So 3 is to 4. Okay, everybody? So do it. And remember, carbon monoxide, aluminum fluoride, magnesium sulfide, you can write anything. Nobody can say only how to write this, say only how to write this. Anything, both are correct. That is you have to remember. Clear, everybody? Yes? So that is purely your convenience. Nobody is going to question you. So you can write anything. Nothing wrong in that. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Make it quick. Mari solving Mr. Jayan, I called you. Padma, Darshana, doing or not? Mr. Sailesh, anything doing?
Yes, sir.
Sami, do
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yeah. Next. State the number of atoms present in each of the following chemical species. Number of atoms they are saying. So number of atoms we have to find it. Yes, please. Shall we find it, everybody, now? So CO3 2 minus. Forget about the valencies. Valencies, it doesn't matter for us. Valencies doesn't matter for us. So number of atoms. Number of atoms present they are asking. So how many carbon atoms? Number of atoms present. Everybody.
One.
Number of atoms present. One carbon plus 3 oxygen. Totally how many? 4.
4.
Next, 1 phosphorus plus 4 oxygen. Totally how many?
5.
5.
5. 2 phosphorus plus 5 oxygen. 2 phosphorus plus 5 oxygen. Big O you put. Small O means it will become 50. Small 5 oxygen. How much? 7. This is oxygen. Carbon monoxide. 1 carbon plus 1 oxygen. Totally how many? 2.
2.
That's all. Such a simple question it is. Good question. Do it, everybody. Completed? Everybody over. Next. What is the fraction of the mass of water due to neutrons? Fraction. It's a very good question it is. So please note it, everyone. We have to find the fraction. Jayan, I am not hearing Jayan. Okay, what is the fraction they're asking? So what is the fraction of the mass of water due to neutrons? So you might be here even like this question first time. I don't expect anybody has been solved. So it's very simple question. So first let us see that now. So Mr. Lingesh is saying it is 0.44. So let us see, Mr. Lingesh, we'll solve it. Okay, fraction they are asking, Lingesh. So fraction means you have to say what? You understand, Lingesh? Of course, it is. What you said is right. In the form of ratio, you have to say. So what is the fraction of mass of water due to neutrons? So observe very carefully. So we all knows what is the water formula, everybody? What is the formula of
H2.
water formula? H2O. So if you have been taken, so how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens
2.
into atomic mass of what? Atomic mass of
Hydrogen.
hydrogen plus how many oxygens are there? 1.
1.
Atomic mass of what?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. So which is equals to what is the formula? 2 into what is atomic mass of hydrogen? 1.
1.
What is atomic mass of oxygen? 16.
16.
Which is equals to totally how much? How much total?
18 U.
Yes, Lingesh, very good. Lingesh has done well. Next. Now, if you all notice it here, this mass is because of what? Only because of protons or only because of neutrons or both mass? Yes, please. This
Neutron.
18U is the what? Only mass of protons or mass of neutrons or both? So, of course, we all knows that. Mass of electrons is what? Anybody? Mass of electrons is considered negligible. Am I right or wrong, everybody?
Yes,
Mass
sir.
of electrons is considered negligible. Negligible. Am I right or wrong? Everybody. So now also I told you, mass of one proton is equals to approximately mass of one neutron. So that is you have to remember. Okay, everyone? Clear, everybody? So now this 18U is a what? It is only mass of protons or mass of neutrons or both? Everyone? It is? Yes, please. At least that you says both. Understanding? So now, if you have taken a hydrogen, a basic hydrogen does not contain neutron. Does not contain neutron. So it contains only what? Anybody? It contains only what, guys? Proton. That is why, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? Anybody? What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. So hydrogen protons it is there. So I removed this hydrogen mass. So number of protons into hydrogen atoms is 2. Number of neutrons. What is the number of neutrons in hydrogen? Number of neutrons. Number of neutrons in hydrogen. How many? 0. Okay. Number of protons in hydrogen. Number of protons. Number of protons in hydrogen. How many? 1.
1.
So totally 2 hydrogen atoms. So 2 hydrogen atoms means 1 into 2, which is equals to totally how many protons?
2.
2 protons. Okay. Next. Jayan, basic hydrogen does not have a neutron. Understand? Only proton it has. Clear, Ra? Everybody? Next, oxygen. Oxygen remaining how much, guys? Okay. So 2 gone. Oxygen. Oxygen, what is the atomic mass? Total? Oxygen, what is the atomic mass? Everybody?
16.
Yes. Oxygen atomic mass is actually 16. So 16U. So what is the atomic number? Number of protons, how many? Number of protons, how many?
8.
Number of protons, 8. Means number of neutrons. Can you tell me number of neutrons, how many then? 16 minus 8, which is equals to how much? 8.
8.
Understanding? So that's all. So now, number of neutrons in both hydrogen atoms and oxygen atom. Totally how much? 0 plus 8. Totally how much?
8.
Total number of hydrogen atoms. Sorry, neutrons. Total number of neutrons. How much, Ra?
8.
Sorry, total number of neutrons. How much, guys? Neutrons is equals to, speak, guys.
8.
Okay. So that is what. Now, let us take now what they're asking. Fraction of mass. Fraction of mass of neutrons. Mass of neutrons is equals to, formula you write. Mass of neutrons divided by total mass. So what is the mass of neutrons? 8U. Total mass is 16U. So 8 divided by, so total mass is how much? 18. So
18.
equals to 2 4s are 2 9s are. So what is the fraction of them?
4 by 9.
4 by 9. For example, they will ask you fraction of protons. Anybody? Fraction of protons. Mass of protons. All of you? Mass of protons, how much? 2 plus 8. How much it is protons? 10.
10.
So 10 by 18. So 2 5s are 2
9.
9. So by the time, what is the fraction? Lingesh?
5 by 9. 5 by 9.
So this question also you add it and write it. So do you all understand, everybody, how to find it, Amma? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So very, very important, very good question. So please all of you solve. Very good question. Like these questions always will very important for even the future aspects also. So write all of you. And remember, hydrogen is the only element does not have neutron. Does not have neutron. Please write it. The only element whose does not have neutron. That is why atomic number is equals to atomic mass.